What is the difference between vowels and consonants? In English language there are 26 alphabets. They are further divided into vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining 21 alphabets are consonants. A vowel is a speech sound made with your mouth fairly open, whereas a consonant is a sound made with your mouth fairly closed. In simple words, a vowel is a sound made by blowing air out of the mouth without closing your mouth or teeth, whereas consonant is a sound made by moving part of the mouth, lips, tongue, or teeth. To better understand the difference between vowels and consonants, you can experience the difference yourself by making all the alphabet sounds. Thanks for watching Miss English.